In this given circle H, we are going to solve x and y, which represents measurements of segments. X represents this segment or this chord from this point to that point, which is also part of the second segment here. And that mentioned second segment is the entire value of y. So we can use the value of x to solve for the value of y later once we could solve it. But it's given here that k at the bottom is considered as the point of tangent C to circle H. This would mean that this segment here containing point K as the point of tangent C is called as the tangent segment. So we have a tangent segment and a secant segment. In this given problem, since we're talking about sides or measurements or lengths of segments, we are going to use another power theorem. In this case, we are going to use the Tangent-Secant power theorem because we have here a tangent and this is a secant. So the Tangent-Secant power theorem tells us about the relationship between the measurements of the tangent segment and the segments that can be drawn from the entire secant segment. So we have this secant segment from here to here, okay? Not just at this point, because if we talk about secant, it should intersect the circle at exactly 2 points. So we have here to there. This is the entire secant segment. This here is part of the second segment, which is also known as the exterior secant segment. Exterior secant segment. So this is how it goes. The product of the tangent segment, the product of the secant segment, the entire secant segment here. So that's by segment addition postulate, it's x plus 6. This is the entire secant segment, okay, multiplied with the exterior segment, which is 6, must be equal to the square of the measurement of the tangent segment. So using this equation, we can solve the value of x later. So using the distributive property, you will get 6x plus 36 is equal to the 12 squared, which is 144. Subtract both sides by 36, you will get 6x equal to 144 minus 36 is 108. Alright, again let me check. Yes, that's 108. And then when we divide x by 6 in both sides, you will get a value for the measurement of x, which is given to be 18. So since this is a measurement, this we have now 18 units. This is the value of the x here being part of the second segment, or the entire chord from this point to that point. Again, this is by use of Tangent-Secant power theorem, which tells us that the product of the entire second segment, okay, that's x plus 6 by segment addition postulate, and its exterior second segment, which is 6, that's why you have here, is equal to the square of the measurement of the tangent segment. Using distributive property and all necessary details, we get here x be equal to 18. Now that we have the value of x, we can just simply use that to solve for the value of y. For y is the entire second segment, and it's computed as x plus 6. And since x is 18, you'll have here 18 plus 6. The value of y, or the length of the second segment represented by y, is 24 units. So this is how we solve x and y for this given circle H.